everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show a simple way how you can edit header in Squarespace Mobile. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is be in Squarespace Mobile, and when you're going to be here, you want to, let's go back, you just want to click on edit header in your home page. And now you're going to see, it will automatically load you to your editing page. And when you're going to do it, you just want to simply wait for it. Yes, and it automatically puts you to edit header. So we got a logo here, and you can choose how it's going to be. I would choose the normal header. Then you're going to see site title and logo that you can again upload and change the website here. And we can go with Marcus Stone. And then you're gonna see elements here. You can upload logo, as I mentioned. Take action, what will happen? Open a new window. And yep. Then you're gonna see colors here, transparent, or you can choose, and style. So this is pretty much how you edit, and this is how you edit header. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya. Safe changes.